I'm so glad that someone asked this because the way that we talk about processed foods right now is so confusing. There's actually more foods than you would think that we consider health foods that are highly processed. This includes things like yogurt, bread, pasta, fortified cereals, shelf stable plant milks, kefir, kimchi, and even foods like canned beans. Processing a food actually includes cooking, fermenting, even milling grains into flour. And none of these steps automatically make a food unhealthy. Actually, many of these foods provide a lot of really key nutrients to our diets. For example, bread and pasta can be sources of carbohydrates, fiber, and B vitamins. Yogurt and fermented foods can provide probiotics, protein, and other fortified foods help to prevent nutrient deficiencies, especially for nutrients like iron, folate, iodine, calcium, and vitamin D. The problem is that the word process is used as a blanket term to label a food as good or bad. But what's important for people to remember is that a lot of these processed foods are way more accessible to a larger population. So, when guidelines or social media messages broadly warn against highly processed foods without any sort of context, it can unintentionally create fear around foods that are actually helping people to meet their nutrient needs.